Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Savvy Tutorials with Norelle. In our previous tutorials, we have discussed things like the benefits of social media and the different types of platforms you can use on social media, engagement, goal setting. Today, we're going to dive into something really important. We're going to talk about navigating privacy settings and safety on social media. With the rise of social media, it's essential to understand how to protect your personal information and maintain your privacy. So let's explore some common privacy settings, safety tips, and the importance of reporting inappropriate content. First and foremost, let's talk about common privacy settings that are available on most social media platforms. Most platforms offer robust privacy settings, allowing you to see who can see your content. Here are a few key settings to look for. Number one, profile visibility. You get to choose who can see your profile and your content, your posts, your pictures, whatever you decide to put on your platform. Typically, your options will include public, so everybody can see them, friends only, so you get to decide which group of people, or you can customize your list and just pick the people that are allowed to look at your content. Be very mindful of this setting to ensure that only the people that you want to see your content can access it. All right? Number two, friend requests and followers. You can decide who can send you friend requests and who can follow you. You can adjust this setting to limit requests to people that you know personally. No one else will be allowed to follow you or send you a friend request. Number three, post visibility. Many platforms allow you to adjust the visibility of individual posts. For example, you can make a post public, you can make a post maybe unlisted, or you can make a post visible only to your friends, or like above, share it with specific individuals. Now take your time, folks, when it comes to deciding what you want to do with your privacy settings. And check out the privacy settings for every platform that you use, because they can be different. And it's worth reviewing these privacy settings on the platforms regularly, because when they update things, your privacy settings can change. All right, my friends, this is Facebook. All right. See, Facebook. Now, if you go all the way down to the bottom, you're going to see privacy. See? Privacy. You click on privacy. It brings up the account center in privacy. Go down. Go down. Click on account center. There's my two Facebook accounts. Where are we? Personal details, password and security. Click on this guy. You can change your password. You can do two-figure authentication. You can do login alerts, security checkups. This is where you have personal choices. This is where you can change your profile settings. So your profile is verified. This is where you can protect your personal information and your safety settings, folks. This one is Facebook. All right, this is Instagram. All right, Instagram. There we go. If you go to the settings, right there, see? Settings at the top of the screen. and click on that. It brings up, there we go, right there. Settings and privacy. That brings up the account center in Instagram. Cool. That gives you your personal details, change your password security, edit your profile, notifications, account privacy, who's blocked, anyway, this gives you the option to, there we go. Wow, scroll down, Norma. Sharing and reuse. You can restrict accounts. You can archive and download. Oh my goodness, look at all the options that Instagram has available for you. Isn't that just cool? So this is Instagram. All right, this is LinkedIn. See? LinkedIn. There's my name. Getting fuzzy. You move over. See here where it says me. Me. You click on me. There's the mouse. Me. Click on me. Scroll down. There we go. Settings and privacy. This is where you change your settings. Add whatever you want in here. Voila. See? This is your LinkedIn. All right? Alrighty, my friends. Let's get lined up here. This is TikTok. See? TikTok. There's my profile. I don't use TikTok very often. I use Instagram more than anything. All right, if you go to the side down here, see, there's my second monitor. I'm not using it right now. Click on more. More. Nope. Yes. And then settings. And then we have privacy. There. See? Privacy. Doo-da. This is TikTok. You can manage your privacy and your personal settings here on TikTok. Alrighty, and last but not least, this one's YouTube. See? YouTube. This is my senior health channel. Click on, where's the mouse? Come on, mousy, where are you hiding? Oh, on the other monitor. Come on. All right, YouTube. There, see? Senior Health Channel. I have 3 YouTube channels. Senior Health and Wellbeing, Nature's Amazing Wonders, and Tech Savvy Tutorials with Norelle. That's me! Anyway, click on Senior Health and Wellbeing. View your channel. See, that's my Senior Health and Wellbeing channel. All right, show more. All right, left-hand side, scroll bar all the way down. There we go, until you find settings. Click on settings. There is the privacy. And that's where you can change your privacy settings. There's the policy, terms of service, advanced settings. That's what I'm looking for. All right, there. See, privacy. And then, where am I? Over here, Google privacy policy. What else click on that. There we go. Privacy, looking to change your privacy settings, take the privacy checkup. So this is where you can change your personal information, who's allowed to look at you, your content, and so forth and so on. Each platform has its own way of changing your privacy settings and making sure that your personal information is safe. Now, let's discuss some important safety tips. This is to help keep your personal information safe on social media. Be very careful with your personal information, my friends. And please avoid sharing sensitive information like your home address or your phone number, and especially your financial details. Don't share your bank account information with people that you don't know or trust. Sometimes the less personal information you share on social media is for the better. All right, the second thing, use strong passwords. Create strong passwords for your social media accounts. Now, it's recommended that you use a different password for each platform. I know it's hard to remember them all. I only use one for a couple, but don't tell anybody. You can use something called a password manager that will keep track of all your passwords for you. They say use symbols, capital letters, and small letters. It's stronger if you use everything. All right. Number 3, use two-factor authentication. Now, if this is available, it's strongly advised that you use two-factor authentication for an extra layer of security. This means that you're going to have to use a second method to verify your identity when you sign in. Like, they'll send you a code on your text message on your phone or Face ID. I use Face ID all the time. No one else has this pretty face. Or an authentication app when you're logged in. Number 4, think before you post, my friends. Before you post something, I would like you to think about the consequences of sharing certain content. Because once something is posted on social media, it is almost impossible to completely remove it. And once it's out there, it's out there. All right, now, you need to, eventually when you've had enough experience on social media, your gut will tell you that something's just not right. You need to be able to recognize phishing attempts. That's PH, not F. Yeah, no. A phishing attempt is when somebody, not a nice person, is going to send you an email or a message pretending to be somebody else. Like a family member or a trusted business that they know you use, Amazon or whatever, you know. And these people are looking for personal information or credit card information or they're just asking for money. You need to learn how to look for red flags, like bad grammar or suspicious links or that sixth sense, that gut feeling that tells you there's just something not right with this message. If in doubt, don't click on it. ask somebody or check out the website personally before, or ask Google about it. Anyway, if you get that gut feeling, that sixth sense that says there's something wrong, listen to your gut. And lastly, my friends, let's talk about reporting inappropriate content. All major social media platforms have mechanisms in place for reporting inappropriate behavior or harmful content. This includes harassment, fake accounts, hate speech, and any content that violates the social media platform's community guidelines. You should read those too. Now, why should you report inappropriate content? Because it's important to keep our community safe for everyone. When you report harmful behavior, harmful content, harassment, you contribute to creating a more respectful community and a more supportive online environment. And how do you report these bad people that are trying to mess the world up? Every social media platform has its own way of how to report content, and most of them are straightforward. The process isn't that difficult. Usually you can find it by clicking on the 3 dots. I'm going to show you how. All right, folks, this is my Instagram account that I use all the time. Instagram. There's me, affiliate.norma. I have 582,000 followers on this Instagram account. People like me. Go to... where are we? Where are we? Profile. No. Go to more. There we go. Report a problem. See? Report a problem. You type in what the problem is, who's harassing you, or what bad content, or what swear words are inappropriate. You send it, and they will check into it. My affiliate.norma will be linked. Wow, you've seen most of my social media accounts today. I was a busy girl. Anyway, that's another story. Another topic of conversation. Anyway, most platforms are straightforward about how you can report bad behavior or scammers or fake accounts or just phishing attempts, whatever you decide that you want to report to help keep our community safe. And there you have it, my friends. In summary, navigating privacy settings and prioritizing is very important. It's crucial for a positive social media experience, not just for you, for everyone. By understanding the privacy settings that are available to you and implementing safety tips that I have given you and utilizing the reporting options, you can protect yourself and contribute to a safer online experience. Thank you for spending time with me today, my friends. We are on tutorial 6 of 7. I am going to give you a full blown out series on basics for five social media platforms. That's coming up. Stay tuned for those. If you found this video helpful, my friends, give it a thumbs up, help promote my channel, and subscribe, my friends. Subscribe so that you don't miss out on any more future tutorials from me, Tech Savvy Tutorials with Norelle. I hope you have a great day. I love the fact that you love my tutorials. I will see you soon.